Welcome to the world of hardware handles. Here, we delve into the trends of the global hardware handle market. Whether you're in the United States, Germany, or China, we understand your diverse needs for hardware handles. In USA, we emphasize practicality and diverse designs, offering choices that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. German consumers prefer high-quality, finely crafted hardware handles, adding a touch of quality to their lifestyle. In the Chinese market, the rise of personalized customization is evident, and we provide various options to meet your unique home demands. Hardware handles not only offer a convenient opening mechanism, but also serve as highlights in home decor. Carefully designed and treated, they are not just practical, but also symbols of art. Customizable hardware handles cater to your pursuit of unique design. Young families, we bring you unique designs to make your home more stylish and vibrant. Professional designers, we offer diverse designs to help you create the perfect home layout. Family safety first, as we focus on providing secure designs for comprehensive household protection. Looking for a hardware handle supplier? Contact us now to create the ideal home together. Visit www.bountyswift.com or reach out through jessica.info@bountyswift.com for more information.